Hi, welcome to Ray Reels. Today's video is about my hike in one of the trails in Lesmurdie waterfalls. Lesmurdie waterfalls is in Perth on the east side. We park in the lower Lesmurdie Falls car park. There are no toilet facilities here. There is a picnic area near the car park. The car park is quite small. We went on a weekday. The picnic area has some seating arrangements and a beautiful stream flowing nearby. There are 3 hiking trails from here: the foot of the falls trail, the head of the falls trail, and the valley loop. We decided to take the foot of the falls trail. As soon as we enter the trail, we see another board which says foot of falls trail, head of falls trail, and Lions Lookout. All 3 are shown in the same direction, so we just progress ahead. The trail is an easy walk, and in the month we visited, which was in September, that is the spring season, the path was quite shady and there were a lot of wildflowers on the way. Here it shows foot of falls ahead, 390 meter, or valley loop on the side, or there is the head of falls. I think we'll go to the foot of falls. again a decision to make here. Should we go Foot of Falls or Lion's Lookout? I think we'll go to Foot of Falls. From this point, for last few meters, we have to climb over rocks to reach closer to the waterfalls. This last few meters of the trail is the only difficult part of this whole Foot of the Falls trail. Once you carefully cross this last few meters, walking over the rocks, you come to a point where you get a clearer view of the waterfalls. There are a few rocks on which you can sit and watch the waterfalls, and that is the stunning part. On a weekday, there are fewer people here, and it is a nice time to enjoy the waterfalls. There were a few people who were climbing further to take pictures and reach closer to the waterfalls. For a lot of people, this might be tricky, including me. I did not venture beyond this point, but if you watch closely in the video, you can see some of them climbing to reach the top, and a couple of them even reach right at the top of the falls. I, however, climbed a few more meters on the rocks facing the waterfalls along the cliff. After watching the waterfalls for quite a long time, we retraced our steps. The return trip is along the same way. On the way back, we saw more wildflowers, and at one point we stopped to have our picnic lunch. It was near the stream. We just spread our picnic rug and had the best lunch. When we started on this trail, we had the intention of covering the other trails too. But we spent quite a long time on this trail, even though this trail was short. And when we finished it, we were quite tired and thirsty. So it was time for us to look for a cafe for a cup of coffee. Hope you liked this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing, liking, commenting and sharing, and please press the bell icon. Until next time, it's bye from Vanaja.